Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to discuss example number 6 of the angle formed by the two secant lines. And yung angle na na-form is outside the circle. That's why our formula will be angle is equal to 1/2 the difference of the bigger intercepted arc and the smaller intercepted arc. So we have here the measure of our arc AB, which is equal to 2x minus 50, na considered as our bigger arc. And the measure of our arc CD is 70 degrees, which is our smaller arc. And our angle is angle AEB, which is 40 degrees. Now, to solve for x, yung x natin dito, we have to write first our working equation. So, we have the angle. So, the measure of the angle, what's the name of our angle? AEB, di ba? So, AEB is equal to 1/2. And then, ano yung name ng bigger intercepted arc natin? We have the measure of arc AB, okay, minus the measure of yung smaller intercepted arc, which is CD, or arc CD. Okay, now let's substitute. What will be the measure of our angle AEB? Ilan siya? We have a 40. Is equal to, copy 1/2. Now, what will be the measure of arc AB? Ilan? We have 2x minus 50, okay, minus the measure of the smaller arc, which is 70. Okay? Now, how are we going to solve for that? Ito muna yung gagawin natin, ha? So, we are going to have 40 is equal to 1/2, and then 2x, what is negative 50 minus 70? Oh, let's do KCC, di ba? KCC. We keep, we change, and then we change. What is now negative 50 plus negative 70? We're going to have negative, how many? Negative 120, correct. So, 50 plus 70 is 120. Dahil ang common sign nila ay negative, we have negative. Now, alam natin na 1 times this one is this one. So, we are going to have 40 is equal to 2x minus 120 divided by 2. Para makapag-cross multiply tayo, this is over 1, then we cross multiply. Okay, so 2 times 40 is equal to 80 is equal to 2x minus 120. Okay, 2 times 40 is 80. Now, 1 times 2x minus 20 is still 2x minus 20. Okay, kailangan natin ma-isolate si 2x. So, si 120, ililipat natin doon. Okay, so you will have 80, negative siya, magiging positive 120, is equal to 2x. What is now 80 plus 120? Correct, that is 200, is equal to 2x. Eh, x lang ang kailangan. So, we divide both sides by 2. So, your x will be, dito na lang. X will be how many? Equals kay 100. Okay? So, ito ay 100. What will be the measure of the arc? Kung 100 to, 2 times 100 is 200. Minus 50, that will be 150. So, ito, 150 to. Okay? Tama ba? Okay, sige nga, i-check natin. 150 minus 70, ilan? 80. Divided by 2, 40. So, tama tayo. Check tayo. Okay, now you try to solve for this one, okay? So, given kayo ng arc AB, which is x plus 10, your arc CD will be 50 degrees, and your angle AEB is equal to 35 degrees. What will be the value of x? You try this one, ha? Madali lang naman, di ba? O, i-comment ka kung madali. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring, kaya i-share na ang video na to. Okay? Bye!